Everyone, welcome back to this next session here. Again, we'll doing the same practice, but a different line, kind of a line structure here. Some sensual, some aggressive, some awkward lines here and there. Sacred, confident, messy, systematic. So all these lines are really important if you really want to you know. So as you can see, I have taken a bit round pointed brush and taken a bit of paint here. You know, so these things really help you in getting the a warm up for the painting. So try to just use that. As you can see, I'm moving the brush in such a way that I'm making something like a nice round like a design here. But the most important thing here is to learn to just go with the flow. you know I know that in one go it will be hard for you to draw it effectively, but it's always good to draw it in such a way that it make the design much nicer. Get the lines more defined here. But just I try to play with the with the with a simple technique here. So as you can see, I'm just drawing the random lines here and there, and that's it. Just trying to develop a kind of a strokes, of straight lines, smaller lines, and that is how it's really important. And when you kind of connect these lines, you just kind of use the technique of making it, in a very simple way. You don't have to go. The whole idea here is to just simply do the warm up exercise. That's it. No thinking involved. Just go with the flow of that thing. You see, I'm just drawing the broken lines. See, all these lines create some kind of a filling into the brains. This is more of a messy lines. Because there is no continuity in that. But again, these kind of also use when you're doing a texture. So try to just develop this kind of a texture here. And that's a bit important here. Designing the texture is also important here. But again, just going with any kind of a flow, that's what is we are up to here. Now we are trying to do something like a sacred drawing, and that's what we are doing here up to here, like a simple way to learn to do something of a warm up with the brush here. No, these zigzag lines create some kind of a movement into the brush strokes, Soften the edges here and there, but yeah, that is the idea, basically. So this is more like a we call as a confident lines, when you are more confident, you flow in one kind of energy, and that is what exactly we are doing here. A simple way of that. And now the last thing is the to draw a systematic lines, as you can see here, I'm trying to be more systematic as possible. So I'm just dividing the lines here and there, creating that sense of a systematic breaking into that. That is what, do it. So guys, I will see you in the next video.